Hi, I'm Brad. We're here working on another project. We've got a dock we're going to restore here. Over time, with the dock plate on it, the concrete is eroded and the dock plate vibrates whenever the fork trucks go over it. And it's caused severe erosion to the point where they can no longer use this dock safely. So we've come in, we've taken out all the loose concrete, put in rebar, and now we're getting ready to pour it.
The repair that's going to take place for this dock will be an infill with a structural grout. The grout will be helped or reinforced by the addition of steel rebar. The preparation that's taking place is openings in the slab to accommodate the steel rebar, which will reinforce that fill. The rebar tails are being cut to a certain length that will be embedded inside the pour. Because the structural grout that's being used is a flowable material, a form is being built to hold it in place as it's poured. This is really not much different than a concrete form. The area where the structural grout will be mixed will be adjacent to the area that's being treated. This is convenient, and also because the material dries so quickly, it allows for a quick delivery of material to the area of repair.
We cut down to where the cracks were in the structure. Removed all of the deteriorated concrete, drilled and reinforced with 5/8 rebar, and pulling it out.
So one of the best things, not only just a quick service or quick return, because all our material has about 15 minutes working time, and pretty much all of them get about 3,000 psi in an hour. Besides that is an unshrink and expendable material. So Portland cement, when you pour regular cement, you pour in here, you're gonna have shrinkage, have expendable, and then when that happens, that's when usually blowouts happen, joints, cracks, and everything becomes bad, and eventually failure. With our material, it's gonna bond there, stay there, and it's not gonna have that shrinkage and expendable like Portland cement does. We use all of our water. You wouldn't see bleeding water. You don't have to keep it curing it for days, like 7 days, which Portland cement does. With our material, just keep it moist for an hour, and after that, you're good to go. Our material works with water and also temperature. So when it's hot, it's gonna set even faster. So if you use hot water, hot material, high temperatures, and when you're doing the repair, that's gonna be like 5 minutes working time. The only way to slow it down is cold water, chilled water. So adding cold water by set control, which is a NATO additive that we recommend you to use, that will stand about 15 minutes working time.
Filling the cavity is pretty simple. A splashboard is used to divert the material into the channel or the cavity that's being filled. Because it's a flowable material, it will completely fill the space. Next is the use of a vibrator to remove the air that's trapped during the pouring. This is a technology that's borrowed from the concrete industry. By helping the air or encouraging the air to the surface and out of the pour, it will be a more sound repair. The next day, the form is removed. Next is the shaping that's required to accommodate the impact protection that will be installed. The form was used to simply fill the cavity in that existed beneath the slab. What's being done here is the contouring and shaping of the material to accommodate the impact protection. The precision in this part of the process is important. The previous damage that had taken place was the result of trucks that had backed into the dock plate. The impact was actually fracturing and breaking away the concrete that made up the edge of the dock. The precision here is important so that when the impact protection is installed, it will divert the impact energy and not break this repair prematurely. The impact protection is actually a steel C-channel. Prepping the area, holes are being drilled to allow the fasteners to be embedded. And then the steel C-channel is being fixed to that. That's about it. In 2.5 days, a broken, crumbling dock has been returned to service.